The DFM rules can be added in 3 different ways, as shown in the slide. In this demo, you will learn the first method of adding DFM rules using the DFM portal. Go to the portal address, pcb.cadence.com/DFM_customer/sign-in. You can see a scrolling list of design true DFM partners. The web-based tool facilitates the request for design for fabrication rules from registered leading manufacturers using the DFM Customer Portal. If you are a first-time user, register as a customer. You require a Cadence online support account to log into this web portal. Log in with your username and password, and pass the CAPTCHA to get into the web interface. The left portion of the web interface will have your contact details. The center portion of the web interface is where you will add your design requirements. You can add your design details here. The design details include details such as which IPC class your design belongs to, add the design technologies such as rigid, flex, and HDI. Add the design units for which you requested the DFM rules. Add your minimum design details, such as hole size, line width, line-to-line spacing, BG a pin pitch, pad size, via details you use. Add special manufacturing requirements such as micro via, blind or buried via, back drill, embedded PCB, or copper coin. After entering the design details, you can select the different design for fabrication rule sets you require. The core function of the DFM Customer Portal is to request the design for fabrication rules from the fabricator. By selecting the outline, mask, silkscreen, and conductor spacing rule sets present here, you request these rules from the manufacturer. Add the required stack-up copper weights. Now, you have almost added all the required design details. If you want, you can add some more details about your design in the remarks section. You can add custom requirements for your design such as board size, impedance requirements, or if you want to pass some specific information also you can add it here. You will find the manufacturer details in the rightmost section of the web page. In the web interface, you are seeing Cadence Design for Employees, as I have logged in as Cadence Internal. I don't have access to the manufacturer list. But as a customer, you should be able to get the list of approved manufacturers over here. Say, for example, I am overlaying a snapshot of fab vendor details here. Your interface may look like this. Select the manufacturer with whom you want the fabrication details for your design. I am reverting back to my actual web interface, as my name is also registered here as a vendor on the internal Cadence site. Select this vendor now. You can also set favorites to the fab vendor list. Before submitting the request, you preview the constraint information using the print option. Select Submit Request. Once you submit the request, the manufacturer will get an email with your contact details and the design requirements you entered in the DFM Customer Portal. You will also get an email with a copy of the design requirements requested. Thus, the DFM portal facilitates the communication and sharing of design requirements between the customer and the fabricator. The fabricator may contact you further based on the contact details you provided on the DFM web portal. Using the DFM vendor portal, the manufacturer can prepare the design for fabrication rules based on your requested rule sets. Once the manufacturer understands your design requirements, he can share the design for fabrication rules as technology files that are in sync with your design, which you can directly import into the PCB editor. To learn more about how a DFM vendor creates Allegro-supported fabrication technology files, please search for the video Creating Design for Fabrication Rules using the DFM vendor portal from the Cadence Online Support Portal. This concludes the demo that shows how to request DFM rules using the DFM Customer Portal.